I am installing my new Bosch dishwasher and the water inlet has a large piece as part of the hose just before where it connects to the mains. The old Kleenmaid machine didn't have this. Does this mean I need to make the hole in the back of the cupboard bigger to be able to push it through?
Hiya, that will be the aquastop unit. Yes, you'll need to make a larger hole to get this through to fit to your plumbing valve. To disconnect it at the machine would involve taking the machine apart, thereby invalidating your warranty. You may also need to alter your plumbing to get it sitting as per the installation instructions. If it's installed the wrong way, it may not work properly. Check the installation instructions and you'll see how it has to sit. Hope this helps. Let me know if you need more information on this. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.